These AI logo generators can turn your ideas into stunning designs in minutes. I'm going to show you what they are and how to use them. Let's kick things off with Ideogram Canvas, a game-changing tool that makes designing logos and graphics not just simple, but genuinely fun. To begin, head to the Canvas tab on Ideogram. Let's try to make something bold, like a sleek wolf with a modern geometric design. Hit generate and let it deliver multiple unique options. It's quick, easy, and the results are fantastic. Ideogram offers powerful tools to fine-tune your design. Use Magic Fill to add, remove, or adjust specific elements. For instance, I'll try highlighting a section and typing add silver highlights to the wolf's fur. The AI handled the edits seamlessly, matching my vision. The Extend tool lets you expand your design, perfect for adapting a square logo into a banner format or adding elements. Resizing and reformatting your logo for different platforms is straightforward. You can use its layout options to create square formats for social media, portrait layouts for stories, or landscape designs for websites. The AI ensures every version maintains its high quality and professional look. Once your design is complete, export it in your preferred format. Ideogram supports multiple file types and resolutions, making it easy to use your logo for digital or print purposes. Next up is BrandMark, an intuitive logo design platform that simplifies the process while offering professional quality results. Getting started with BrandMark is easy. First, head to their homepage and enter your brand name. Let's say your business is called Roboverse. Type in the name and optionally add a slogan such as AI videos. BrandMark then asks for a bit more input to tailor the design. You'll choose from several style preferences. Once they are set, BrandMark's AI generates a range of logo options. You can browse these designs and select the one that aligns best with your vision. To customize your chosen design further, BrandMark offers a suite of editing tools. You can adjust the layout to change how the text and icon are arranged, modify the font to better match your branding style, and refine the colors to achieve the exact shades you prefer. BrandMark also provides real-world mockups, allowing you to see how your logo will appear on business cards, websites, and merchandise. This feature helps ensure your design is versatile and impactful. When your logo is ready, BrandMark requires purchasing a package to download your files. These packages include high-resolution PNG and SVG files, which are perfect for both digital and print applications. Premium packages also include branding assets like social media templates and branded presentations. Now let's dive into Looka. Head to their website and click on Logo Maker to begin. You'll start by entering your business name. For example, let's say your brand is called Roboverse Studio. Type that in and it will guide you through a series of simple questions to tailor your logo to your vision. Looka's AI then generates logos based on your inputs, presenting you with multiple options. Scroll through the designs and select the one that stands out. If you want more customization, click Edit Logo to fine-tune every element. You can change the font style for a more unique look, adjust the colors to better fit your branding, and replace the symbol with one that aligns more closely with your vision. Looka doesn't stop at logo creation. Once you've finalized your design, it offers a brand kit to bring consistency across all your materials. This includes business card designs, social media templates, and even a website layout, all tailored to your logo's style. When you're ready, choose from pricing options based on your needs. If you only need a high-quality logo file, the basic plan works great. For full branding tools, opt for a premium package. Finally, let's talk about LogoAI. Head over to their website and click on Let's Make a Logo to begin. You'll be prompted to enter your company name. Once you've added your details, click Continue to move to the next step. With your preferences set, LogoAI generates dozens of logo options. Scroll through the designs and click on one that catches your eye. If you're not completely satisfied, you can click Generate More to get fresh ideas. Once you've selected a design, click Customize to fine-tune it. LogoAI gives you a real-time preview of how your logo will look on business cards, websites, and more. This feature helps you visualize how your design translates to the real world. When you're happy with your logo, you can save it and choose from different pricing plans. The basic plan includes a high-quality PNG, while the Pro plan offers vector files and additional branding materials. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore these platforms and see which one fits your needs best. While all these tools offer powerful features and deliver professional results, the choice ultimately depends on your style preferences and budget. Take some time to experiment, and you're sure to find the perfect match for your vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.